How to add an image overlay in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open DaVinci Resolve and import both your main video and the image you want to overlay into the media pool. You can do this by dragging the files directly or using the import function. Next, drag your main video onto the timeline on video track 1. Then drag the image file onto video track 2, placing it above the video clip where you want the overlay to appear. Now, select the image clip on the timeline and go to the inspector panel on the right side of the screen. Here you can adjust the position, size, and rotation of the image to fit your desired placement on the video. If you want the image to blend smoothly, scroll down in the inspector to the composite section and change the opacity value. Lowering the opacity makes the image semi-transparent, perfect for subtle overlays like watermarks. For more advanced control, you can also experiment with different blend modes in the composite section such as multiply or screen, which changes how the image interacts visually with the video beneath. After adjusting the overlay settings, play back your timeline to make sure the image appears exactly how you want it, and tweak the timing or position if needed by trimming or moving the clip on video track 2. Finally, when everything looks good, export your video normally and the image overlay will be embedded in the final output. And that's it. Now you know how to add an image overlay in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.